Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get a shift lock on Roblox Mobile. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to go ahead and simply open up the Roblox application in your mobile device and sign in to your account. Once signed in, you want to go ahead and simply zone any game. So once you're here, you need to go ahead and simply tap on the Roblox icon at the very top left corner. Now from here, you need to go ahead and tap on settings. Inside settings, you need to go ahead and look for the camera mode. By default, it is set to follow. Change this option to classic. Classic is the closest thing to shift lock on mobile. And that's it. Now your camera works like shift lock on Roblox Mobile. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.